What up, y'all? How y'all doing? It's currently 5:30 in the morning. I'm about to get ready to head out towards Iowa. Just finished loading up the truck. Got my boy Dino loading his energy up. Another deal. Mini Mafia in the house. And the Mamalonsky. Let's see how this goes. Still got 4 hours, 25 minutes. We got Minnie Weta in the back, knocked out. She's snoozing, getting the energy for the race. Got my boy Dino right here, whipping.
Listen to me right now. You should have already been in the lanes. If you're not in the lanes, your class is running.
We just
and
made
you are
it
going to lose
to the Ice Cream Cruise event. You know, we posted up. Got these cool ass bands. Where your band at? Where your band at? So we're gonna see. I think they just called first round of small gangster or small tire gangster, something like that. So we're gonna hit the stands real quick and check it out. Crazy, right?
And how many y'all want to see them out of brilliant style? Get over there and get that. Make some noise for the little 30-stop burnout. In 10 minutes, they're going live.
Oh, 10 minutes, the burnout competition is going live. We're gonna check that out. Got a lot of front wheel drive cars here. Very, very badass shit. A lot of badass shit. these pits.
Main man Carl's down there getting that.
We're gonna be back with the burnouts. Section of nothing but Chevy. Got the 1320 tent. Definitely have to get some of that stuff. Got wet out right here. Yeah. We'll come back. This is the Ice Cream Cruise merch. Yeah, you can get stickers and all that good stuff. We're currently going to the Cleetus McFarland's tent. Breast cancer awareness. Says pay $20, get a ticket, win a chance to win a raffle. That's pretty cool. We're working our way to Cleetus. We're gonna see Dino. How you feel, bro? How you feel, Dino? You about to meet Cleetus McFarland, bro. Pretty hyped. This is the first time we're seeing his cars in person. I see Mr. Sam. Awesome dude. Here, hold this real quick.
I got you. Which one's recording off of?
The front.
The front one.
Whoa, look at this jet car right here.
Oh, goodness.
Super nice.
Whoa.
We got PS5 speed. We got Mr. Sam. different.
Instead of snaps, it's just like yeah. I'll try to get it. Have a nice day. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Nice. Take advantage
Got the Dell truck.
Which one? Oh, is this one?
There's that boy Zach.
Look at that one over there. It's like a
That's their cooler car.
That is so
And then this is
cool.
their burnout car.
Oh, that one is so nice. Yeah.
I don't know.
The Honda's over here.
I wonder where Mr. Cleetus is.
Yeah, take a picture with him?
Yeah, last exam. Can I get an extra large on the swirl shrimp? The swirl?
Can I do the...
So this is only going to be toddler and you.
I mean, I might fit it, but... This one? I'll do this one. That who's your grandpa? And a small, please.
Awesome. Thank you kindly.
Right, anything else?
Oh, that's
That'll be
it.
It's going to be yeah. And my card reader's going to be right down there. And then did you guys want a puzzle as well? Even
We
like
would love it, yeah.
Yeah, we'll take it.
Got this shirt and got that shirt.
All right. We're all set.
Perfect,
Thank you.
thank
You guys have a good one.
you. You do as well.
Right there.
We're gonna have him sign it, love?
Yeah.
Let's get in line.
Onto here. What's going on?
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Sign it right here. Yeah, right here? Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, you got it. Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Yay.
You mind if we grab a picture real quick? Of course.
Get in there, Dino. No? Get in there, Dino. Come on, come on. Okay, got it.
Hey, I appreciate you. Thank
Of
you.
course. Yay. Got it.
Give me a run.
And then, do you want to do mine?
That'll work for sure.
No, that's Cleetus' shirt.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys.
Of
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
So much.
The Delta, for the first time ever, I-29 Dragway. Taking one speaker bump. You know if you love it.
Oh, there.
I love you, hate it. You better respect it. Out there in the grandstand, go after flashlights. If you're going, don't let Cleetus. Let's see the flashlight. That ain't very neat. Now let's see all the flashlights for Joey Heifel.
Day 2, ice cream cruise. Got Mini Wera, Mini Mafia Racing. That boy Dino. Got to move a couple things around, hit the road.
Let's do it. Got that one over there.
8 minutes away is from watching Kyle Watson jump out of an airplane. Yeah. Fall out of an airplane. A perfectly good airplane.
Worth like $800.
A run,
The guy
drive, flying
who
airplane.
never used it.
He's
Yeah,
jumping
those
out.
things are
He gave us like all
Last
the
year
extra
they
parts.
had 3 flags, the American flag, 13th Wing flag, the United States flag. No telling what they got under the sleeve this year.
Oh, okay.
Well, Kyle, that's not great. He's coming. Dual player.
It is big.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Are we back home?
Oh, I love riding forward. Yeah.
That's the only thing I can with it, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just finished doing the chip draw. We got Luis from SLR. Record the driver's meeting, but we're just about to get started. See how it goes. They just called us up to the lanes. We're gonna be the third pair going down. We're locked and loaded and ready to go. Ready? You ready? Gonna have some fun. They just started the little gangsters class, which is a punch
We got Jimmy Dale, get 6-7.
So we're getting ready. We're about to get out there here shortly.
Track, making 5:30 intakes famous again.
Fort Worth in the house.
First in the Nicers. window, Kansas WY tag, right, Kansas City area. Move your truck, please. That's a white.
popped on the whole
That's fucking crazy.
chain pop. I ain't gonna lie, I did not expect that.
No, he's black. What are the chances of you taking these sleeves off this show? I need to know. You know, I'm really not supposed to, but I'll do it. All right. Let's make it work. Let's do it. Let's make this quick. Yes, sir. Now. Sometimes, you know, you get a little table action. All right, hit it. Now.
Yeah.
Thank you.